Hi everyone, and welcome to SyncEzy's QuickBooks Time, or TSheets Power BI integration demo. So let's take a look at some of the benefits. This integration provides you with a real-time data sync. So you have a seamless synchronization of employee time tracking and payroll data for up-to-the-minute reporting. This allows you to build better reports than standard QBT reporting. It also allows you to automatically extract all QBT data. This allows for better reporting on timesheets, employees, projects, assignments, and more. With Power BI allowing customized dashboards, you can create tailored dashboards to visualize and analyze workforce data, including the time spent on projects, overtime, and attendance. These comprehensive analytics that allow you to generate these detailed reports provide you the information to make informed decisions. It can also facilitate enhanced payroll accuracy, so you can identify discrepancies, automate payroll calculations, and ensure compliance, reducing errors and saving time in the payroll process. And from a forecasting and planning point of view, you can utilize historical data to forecast future staffing needs, allocate resources efficiently, and optimize scheduling. So looking at this integration graphic, the integration gives you the ability to sync into Power BI custom fields, employees, groups, and job codes, locations, timesheets, and 20 other tables. So you can create dashboards covering these items and many more data points. Also, this integration can extract data into any analytics app, which allows you to build your own reports and dashboards. So whether you are using Power BI or another analytics app, you can get a better visualization of your data. For all our integrations, we offer 24 hours a day, 5 days a week support via live chat, phone, and email. We are IPA SOC 2 Type 2 certified, and we've been that for the last 3 years. We are also certified by the App Defense Alliance as per the CASA protocol. So we've met stringent security requirements, and if your company has requirements around it for approval, we can make sure that we meet those requirements for you. As a company, we are trusted by hundreds of customers worldwide to help them sync their data, and there are case studies available on our website to learn more. So what does it actually look like? Let's take a look at some example dashboards created from QuickBooks Time data. As you can see from this test data, you can view employee details, pay rates, and employment types with interactive filters and visual breakdowns to support HR planning and oversight. You can also filter and visualize jobs by country type and employee to track workload, spot top performers, and streamline job management. On this timesheets dashboard, you can track timesheet entries, status, and hours worked with detailed logs and visual trends to support payroll accuracy and project time management. And on this last dashboard, you can view and filter employees' leave requests with details on dates, status, and hours taken to support leave planning and compliance tracking. So thank you for your time today. Please contact us if you have any questions. We'd love to show you the system in more detail. Thank you and goodbye.